Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing 5 easy tips to create a beautiful, comfortable, yet functional living room. So if you enjoy these kinds of videos, stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I hope that you enjoy this video. Let's get to tip number 1. Creating a focal point anchors the living room and draws you into the space. It's what catches your eye the moment you enter the room. It can be a fireplace, a window, even wallpaper. In my living room, I use this artwork. And typically, your focal point should face the entrance of your living room. Living rooms are gathering spaces, so you want to use your furniture in a way that promotes conversation and interaction. Set your furniture pieces away from the wall, move them closer together facing each other. This will encourage conversation and your guests won't be shouting at each other from across the room. Also, moving your furniture pieces away from the wall actually gives the appearance of a larger room. Having a solid neutral colored sofa makes decorating the living room so much easier. I can change the look of my living room simply by changing out the pillows. As you can see here, I swapped out the pink pillows for these blue ones that I think will be go a little better for the fall/winter theme. I just love that you can swap out the pillows for the different seasons and use different textures such as fur and linens that I have here. I also have the little rhinestone pillow there. It's just such a fun way to decorate and set the mood for your room. I really think using fur just kind of makes the room look so cozy and just a place you want to relax in. Also, having a neutral colored sofa just takes the guesswork out of adding decor pieces to your living space. Pretty much any decor piece is going to go, any pattern or color. So if you struggle with those decisions, this is definitely the way to go. Use lighting to create an inviting atmosphere for your room. I like to use table lamps or floor lamps. They just give your room a warm glow, make it feel relaxed and comfortable and inviting for your guests to come in and have a seat. I also like to use candles in the evening time. It just gives the space a nice, cozy, warm feel. The most important element of decorating a living room is that it's a place that you actually want to live in. It's okay if you want your living room to dazzle, but it should also be a place that you can be comfortable and it's functional to suit your lifestyle. I use this basket underneath my ottoman to store things like my kids' video games or blankets, magazines, anything that I plan to use but I don't want it in sight. So this just keeps those items hidden away and yet available for when I need them. Not only do we use our ottoman to rest our feet, by adding this tray, we're able to use the ottoman also for a table space. We can put our drinks here or books or just little pretty decor items to decorate the space. This table serves 2 purposes. Not only does it distract from that ugly heating vent on the wall, which drives me nuts, but it also has drawers so I can hide away things that I don't want out on display. Using decorative baskets are also a great way to store items that you want out of sight. I use mine for our throw pillows, but there's so many different varieties and looks of baskets. They can also be used as a decor piece in your living space. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments below what decorating tips you have of your own. I'd love to hear from you. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. And everyone have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video.